We trade in either direction, buy or sell. It's all the same to us. So that means that whatever we look for as our setup to take a long, that means buy by the way in trader speak, is the same thing we look for taking a short, that means sell, except it's in the opposite direction. If you don't quite get it, then you'll see what I'm talking soon enough. First example is a short trade. We want the 10 EMA to have crossed below the 21 EMA and we want the 21 EMA to have crossed below the 50 EMA. So far so good. Even if you are a complete beginner in trading, you will have most likely come across the term scalping at some point. In this article, you will learn the answer to what is scalping in Forex, how it works and how to choose your own Forex scalping trading system. Furthermore, we will also take a look at Forex scalping strategies, focusing in particular on the popular 1-minute scalping strategy. What is scalping in Forex? Scalping is a method of trading Forex based on real-time technical analysis. When it comes to Forex, a scalping trading system requires making a large number of trades that each target small profits. Rather than holding a position for several hours, days or weeks, the goal of scalping Forex is to make a profit in minutes, or even seconds, just a few pips at a time. The FX market is the largest, most liquid and one of the most volatile financial markets in the world. Forex scalpers try to squeeze every possible opportunity out of these fluctuations in foreign exchange quotes, by opening and closing trades with just a few pips of profit. So, scalping in the Forex market is essentially taking advantage of minor changes in price over a short period of time. Forex scalping is quite a popular style for many traders, as, thanks to the volatility of the FX market, there are usually ample trading opportunities throughout the course of the day. During the scalping process, a trader usually does not expect to gain more than 10 pips or to lose more than 7 pips per trade, including the spread. Therefore, in order for those 10 pip gains to add up to a substantial profit, scalping is usually performed with high volumes. To learn more about the pros and cons of Forex scalping for beginners, as well as the best and worst times to scalp, watch our free webinar video. £Sterling to US dollar easy 1-minute Forex scalping system is designed specifically for use on the £Sterling to US dollar pair with the ability to scoop profits on small price changes. The strategy allows the quick opening and liquidation of positions in a secure manner that anyone can take advantage of regardless of their market experience. Trading the Forex market is quite a delicate job, but tools abound in the market that if effectively put to use will ease the entire process. Scalping is one of such trading style where a trader deploys a very short hold period in the market, while having expectations of spawning small consistent profits on the smaller timeframes. It is attractive when you look at the whole process, considering the sheer amount of time long/medium term trading requires and the toll it takes on us. We are offering you a quick intraday trading scalping strategy that solves all that problem and many more. The 1-minute Forex scalping strategy for £Sterling to US dollar is a fast-paced trading strategy that accumulates profits in a timely fashion and capitalizes on the changes in price that is witnessed quite often in the market. Have it behind the back of your mind that one large loss can wipe out all the gains you've made, and you'll want to do everything to ensure this doesn't happen. Let's show you how you can stay safe using our recommended trading setups for this amazing scalping strategy. Scalping the Forex market remains a very attractive style of trading, and most novice traders have likely heard of this method at some point or have even tried it for themselves. Considering the small profits that scalpers aim for by executing multiple trades a day, the margin for error is very small and requires a proven scalping strategy. Successful scalping strategies require consistently high win rates and impeccable timing, and it is essential that one single loss does not wipe out all your hard-earned profits. This article will discuss some of the best Forex scalping strategies based on popular indicators traders use to find high probability setups to scalp on the 1, 5 and 15-minute timeframes. Try this strategy. 1-min scalping strategy. £Sterling to US dollar, Euro to US dollar and USD/JP is a trend momentum Forex strategy. The purpose of this strategy is trading on the strength. Time frame 1 minute or 5 minutes. Currency pairs, Euro to US dollar to Japanese yen, £Sterling to US dollar. Trading sessions, London and New York. Forex indicators: 10 exponentiation moving average, EMA, close, Bollinger Bands with 18 deviation 2 period, parabolic SAR, 0.019 to 0.08, MACD, 12, 26, 9. RSI 16 period close with levels 60 and 40. Trading rules: buy 10 EMA crosses above middle of MACD, histogram is above 0, liner C is above 60 level. Parabolic SAR. Below the price, optional. Sell 10 EMA crosses below middle of BB. MACD histogram is below 0 line. RSI is below 40. Parabolic SAR. Above the price, optional. 1 minute time frame stop loss 10 pips, profit target 6-12 pips. 5 minutes time frame stop loss 15 to 20 pips, profit target 8-20 pips. In the pictures random trading examples on GBP/used 1-min chart. We trade in either direction, buy or sell. It's all the same to us. So that means that whatever we look for